IFA 2025 opens grandly in Berlin. A century-long global technology feast, Fanxiang unveils its cutting-edge storage ecosystem, including consumer, industrial, enterprise, and AO products, demonstrating China's innovation ability. The world-first products. Fanxiang has the 6.6mm ultra-thin magnetic PSSD, the 4GB per second fastest made PSSD, etc., building on SSD, bridging with cloud computing, and leveraging AI as a tool. Fanxiang constructs a full scenario AO storage ecosystem. IFA USB Cloud Phones a showcase, enabling your digital living. Co-branding with IP Zombie Esca. It blends tech innovation with fashion flag. Fanxiang, driven by technology, is opening a new era of storage.